Hey y'all, forgot to tell y'all, I went to another mall, surprise, surprise, and got self-tanner. I'm really just gonna do my face for right now because I never used it and I'm scared. I don't know if it's the right color, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna just put it in here. I should get enough. Hold on a second. It's supposed to stink. What if it's not even gonna do nothing? Or what if it's like crazy? No, I don't want it to be crazy. I'm actually scared, for real. I can already see it a little bit. I don't want to come out looking crazy though. But I ain't trying to look too bad now. For real. Period. I actually look a little darker now, for real. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like I went outside. I don't know. For the most part, it works. It really do. The final product. Hey y'all, it's your girl Lacey Jalen and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I just went shopping, y'all. I'm sorry I didn't take y'all with me, but I did go shopping. I went to the mall and I went to PacSun and I found the cutest things I could find. Yes, it looks plain, meh, but it's cute. I also did go to Target when I think I went yesterday. And I finally got some of these that I've been seeing. I can't wait to try them. I'm so excited. If y'all don't know what these are, they are the cleaning face towels for sensitive skin. It was $17. I also got this Cashmere Fresh and Cozy by EOS. Or EOS. I say EOS. I don't know what y'all say. What y'all say? But let me show you this try on haul of my clothes. The first, nice and comfy. It's really cute. These are from PacSun. They also are a size, one size. Like, I don't know if Brandy Melville went out of business or if they got a new name, but whoever's in there now. And I also got these shorts, but they are a little short, not a little, a lot. I won't be putting those on. And I also got this tighter spaghetti strap shirt. It's really stretchy. I got this one at a medium. I've also been meaning to try this new brand called Bubble. I have heard of it on TikTok, but this will be my first time trying it out. I only got one product just to see if it was actually worth the time and worth the money. I got the Morning Rays Brightening Eyes Cream. I don't know if it was a good first choice, but that's what I got. So, we're gonna see how she works. If I like it, I will be buying more. If not, RIP. Okay, now for the good time. This is actually good because I'm always running around trying to find a good, not running around, but like looking around my house trying to find a face towel so I can dry my face off. But it's like so hard for me to find one. But this would be so good, like using this. I'm very excited. Okay, it says apply this before moisturizer, after serum. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use this Mario Badescu Vitamin C serum first. And then I'm gonna go in with my Morning Rays after. feels nice. We're gonna hope for the best, y'all. I've been hearing the good things, so I will let y'all know what happens. But so far it's good. Okay, all right, y'all. I will be probably cleaning up and taking care of some things first before I get ready to lay down and go to sleep.